Ugh, I'm so bored. It's been a long time since I've done something. What should I do? I know. How could a Redbird store and steal something? Like our Groundwd did with those soda drinks at the store. Hello. Welcome to Redbird store. How can I help you? I would like to buy these 2 cherry Jellos. Oh wait, one of those strawberry, my bad. Huh. And those are my 2 favorite flavors of Jello. Look at those delicious things. Mmm, so delicious. Gonna buy them? Oh, yes. Well, actually, I don't want to just buy them. What are you about to do? Maybe I can just steal them. What? Ha ha ha! I had the Jellos in my hand. Ha! No, you don't. Come on, not again. Come on, why'd you steal my Jellos? This Gargantua already did this with my soda drinks at my store. Ah! Ow. Ow! Ow. You gotta be kidding me. No, I gotta get out of here with the Jellos. I still have the Jellos. No. Time to take these Jellos back. No. I'm gonna come back and ground you. No. No, no, no. No. You're grounded for stealing Jellos. How could you do this like Gargantua? Or stealing my soda drinks? Ow. You're grounded.